What's up, traders? Hope you guys had a fantastic day today with Tina. Sorry about the video. Just got home, decided to hop onto the PC, just make a video about the analysis that was sent yesterday regarding Boom 1000 and Crash 1000, the trades that we were in. Well done to Yolanda that actually held the trade and banked $200 on Boom 1000 based off the analysis. Patient does pay, guys. If you have a small account, remember to use the hack lot that is pinned in the group at the top. The pinned messages is there. Use a hack lot. You can still achieve greatness with a hack lot, guys. You can still increase your account. You can still make very good profits of long-term trades like this that was posted. So I just want to run through the analysis real quickly with you guys and see exactly where we are currently in the market and what we can expect to happen. Just be advised, this is not a signal. This is just me running through previous analysis and then just looking at current market. And then we will start with the signals again tomorrow. I'll start sending signals again tomorrow as well as currency signals for you guys. But let's just look at it real quickly. So as we can see over here, this was, let me just remove this. So this was the zone we were actually working in yesterday, right? This was the zone we were working in yesterday. If you guys remember, on the 5-minute we had this rejections over here. We had some buy limits that was set. Remember I told you guys about the trend line on the 1 hour and the buy limits that I had in place. And as you guys can see, perfect rejection of the trend line over here and the support zone that we marked up. Let me just go all the way back. Of the support zone that we marked up over here, and it shot, I said it should go above the previous high, which was over here. It actually went all the way up, and this is where we gained those massive profits. We closed out, I closed the trade somewhere about here this morning, early hours of the morning when I sent it through to you guys. I closed somewhere about here, and look what happened. It continued to shoot all the way up. Crash 1000, I think it currently hit TP. I did remove TP, but yesterday when I sent this trade, I told you guys that we are at a very strong resistance zone over here, at a strong resistance. So we were just playing around, was consolidating in this area, and then what happened is it actually fell. Our take profit was at this zone. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to go ahead and close these trades. I'm going to go ahead and close these trades, and then we can see it actually went all the way down and it hit our take profit. So analysis was on point, guys. For those that took it and those that actually held the trade, congratulations on the massive profits that you guys made over here. Initially this was our entry round about here. We had a drawdown. It broke this resistance, went all the way back up to this resistance when I sent the second video, the update, and I entered 2 positions on this trade here at the resistance zone. I sent a video with the update regarding that. So if you guys took it, you guys scored all of these profits. Looking at it currently, it broke, retested. I won't call this exactly a retest in the market. This over here, I won't call it a retest yet. I'll still wait for price first to break away. But if you guys want to hop on the trade, what I would suggest is taking this zone over here, so this support zone over here, as a take profit, entering over here. So what you need to do is place your stop loss above the previous high, which is this one over here. So place your stop loss over there. That is a safer stop loss. Okay, you can place your stop loss just above the resistance zone, and then of course your take profit over here. So these are the 2 recommended stop losses. based on your account size. So what I'll do is I will enter the trade over here. I'll move the stop loss over here, which is $1.80 stop loss. The take profit would be $7. And then if I enter another position, I just need to go down to lower time frames so that I can see the second position. That's the second position. I'll just drag it there. Go back to the 15 minutes. So the safest stop loss would be $6.50. And then the take profit would be $7. So that's basically a 1-to-1 risk to reward, which is okay with me. I'm okay with that. Okay, I just moved that one. Let me just go back. Let me just see. The top position was there, $1.80. That was that stop loss. Okay, so we have our two stop losses, two positions, same take profit. And there we got a nice rejection from that. So I don't want to make this video long so that you guys can still enter. I just want to check higher time frames. For a possible third take profit zone that we could potentially enter. Let's see, I'm not seeing any zone at the moment, and I don't want to take too much of your guys' time with this, so I'll leave it right here on the 15 minute, and those will be our two take profits. On Boom 1000, currently here is a nice support zone where it has been rejecting from, and this is a resistance zone. So we need to wait to see what price wants to do. Okay, it's been consolidating in this area. I do expect it to push up a bit more. We can check the 1 hour time frame. Let's take this trend line. Let's draw that like that. Okay, it broke, it retested. So my next take profit level for Boom 1000 would be around this zone, which is a support zone that turned into resistance. As we can see, price rejected from the zone multiple times. It was support, then changed to resistance. So that would be my take profit over there. So what I'll do is I would go ahead and enter a buy. Over there, and then I would place my take profit there, which is around about $26. And then regarding my stop loss, what I'll do is, because it's been consolidating here, I'll actually go ahead and set buy limits in these zones, right? In these zones, I'll go ahead and set buy limits. And I'll set another buy limit over here so you guys can see the buy limits there. I'll place buy limits there, and for each of these I will set my, let me just leave it there. I'll set my stop loss just below the previous low. So over here below this low and below the support, I'll place my stop loss there. My stop loss is $17 and my take profit is $25. That's on the top position. And then of course with these buy limits, I'll adjust them as well. But that's what I see happening on Boom 1000 and on Crash 1000. We're currently heading for TP. I'm still in the video. I do apologize, guys, but I hope you guys actually caught it. But I would then see you guys on, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And we will continue with the signals tomorrow and continue to milk the hive, kill the market, and kill Forex as well.